The 1926 Fordson Model F tractor. This tractor was made by the Ford Motor Company, probably in Dearborn, Michigan. Revealed in 1917, the Model F was initially manufactured by Henry Ford & Son Incorporated, a firm established in 1910 by Henry and his son Edsel. In 1920, the company was merged into the Ford Motor Company. Not wanting potential buyers to confuse his tractors with ones made by a Ford tractor company based in Minneapolis, Minnesota, Henry decided to call the company's tractor the Fordson. The Fordson's initial price was $750, making the Fordson tractor very affordable to farmers on the North American prairie and causing Ford's competitors in the tractor market to cut their own prices and rethink their product lines. Ford manufactured the Fordson in the U.S. until 1928, moving production first to Cork, Ireland, and then to Dagenham, Essex, England. Stour Museum's Fordson tractor is displayed with a two-bottom plow.